Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first we should open settings application, and then here in connection section you'll see here NFC and contactless payments. You can turn on or turn off the NFC from here just by click on the switcher, or also we can just tap to the NFC section and activate the NFC from here, and also we can turn it off. We can also here switch contactless payments if you have, for example, another application, because in my case I have only the Google Pay, so that's why just okay, I can't switch the payment method here. And also we can make it by the second way. Just first you should open notification panel, and somewhere here you should find the NFC icon. If you have no this icon, like in my case, you should click here to this plus, and after that you'll see here the available buttons features which we can add to notification panel shortcuts, and you will see the NFC here. So just to edit, you should hold and drag it to your panel, then just tap here to done, and after that we can use this button here to turn on or turn off the NFC on our Samsung Galaxy device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.